Hello. So I'm going to do problem 7.9. It's a cylindrical specimen of soil is comprised by an axial principal stress of 500 kilopascals and a radial principal stress of 200 kilopascals. Determine the maximum shear stress. That's part A. Part B. Normal and shear stresses on a plane inclined at 30 degrees clockwise from a horizontal. Okay. So let's start this. Let me draw two lines on mine. So let's do line 0, 0. There it goes. Let's do 700. Let's do another line. Let's do 0, and let's do this one 500. So I got my two. So I'm going to draw the axial force, the vertical force at 500 kilopascals. So start from the origin. Well, 0. So let's do line 0, 0, 500 kilopascals. Okay. Then we'll do another one. Line 0, 0. Let's do this one at 200. Okay. Then we're going to draw our circle. Let's do 2 point. Good. And our circle goes all the way to 500. We don't have any shear forces around the specimen, so we don't have to worry about that. But it doesn't say. So with this circle, we could determine the major stress, the minor principal stress, and the maximum shear stress. So we'll go point. We'll just put this point right here. Then we'll do point right there and point almost there. Then find our point. I think I deleted it by accident. Let's redo point. Then we do properties. So our major stress is 500, and we don't have any shear stress because this is on the principal plane, principal line. So there's no shear stress. Then we go look at this one. And our minor, sigma 1, is going to be 200 with no shear stress because it's on the principal plane. Point from the circle. So our normal force is 350, and our maximum shear force is 350. Shear stress, I mean. So for part A, maximum shear stress is going to be 150 kilopascals. Okay. Part B is determine the normal and shear stress on a plane inclined at 30 degrees clockwise from the horizontal. So we get out of the properties. We draw another line. The 200 kilopascals is from the horizontal. We draw a line there, and we do a line that crosses it, and we do it at 30 degrees. There it is. And Yeah, let's do that one more time. Point. And look for that angle. Then go properties. So our normal shear stress is going to be 425 kilopascals, and our shear stress is going to be 129.9 kilopascals at a 30-degree angle. So normal stress is 425 and shear stress is 129.9 from the horizontal. And that answers the two questions. Thank you.